Frankia integrated 7900. This motorhome will cost over €204,000. But let's look at what it's got. Enormous lounge at the back. It's one of these which you divide into three. You've got a place there to sleep in. Bed comes down, so part one of the van is the driving and sleeping part. Bit of storage up here, room dividers here and here to stop, because this is the second part. You've got the toilet and the washroom over to this side. Right, third part, you've got the living bit, your kitchen, 2 burners, large cooking area, enormous lounge around the table. Remember, this is for 2 people, so you can both lounge down here and watch the television up there. Storage cabinets all the way round. It can of course come with an extra bed, as we have up here, which has been installed, so you can in fact sleep 4 should you want to. Storage under the kitchen unit. Double floor, you can't see it. Double flat floor, can't see it because these carpets have been put down. They're there for a reason, that's to protect the floor. Thing costs 204,000 plus, so people are going to want to sell it afterwards. Let's now come out. It's got enormous storage capacity in the garage, 450 kilos, largely made to order. Storage on the left hand side and storage on the right hand side as well. And that is the Frankia's answer to the liner for 2, the Duomobile from Hymer. And that video I did in under 3 minutes. Now, if you want to see a full video, full record of this motorhome, then you can see that in another video, which is far more detailed. The aim of this is to produce something rather quickly. So, thanks very much for watching, and all the best from Dusseldorf.